Hello, my name is Mukul. I'm a member from Path Art. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a truck made out of clay and matchbox. The items which I'm using are clay. So we need different types of clay colors like black, red, yellow and blue. I made some balls out of black like this for the wheels, and some balls for the light, and some balls for the indicator. And the truck is going to look like this. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start with my matchbox. I first need to open it. I'm going to take some blue clay. I'm going to spread it. I'm going to keep